Have you tried cooking your rice in the oven before? Well, come here. Let me show you how I do my Gungo rice and peas in my oven after sharing with you what I made as a Jamaican girl for Christmas dinner. Now, this was 1 pack of Gungo peas. It was the frozen fresh Gungo peas which I had in the freezer. Now, I started off that with in some water and some pimento, of course, and some garlic. Now, if you're an island girl, you know your pimento berries have to be in your rice and peas or your Gungo rice and peas. Now, I season that with my green seasoning. This is a blend of onion, garlic, a little piece of ginger, hot pepper, scallion, and also some pimento berries were into that also. And you can add whatever other seasonings you want to add to your rice. Season it as how you would season your rice and peas. Now I wash my rice. The rice that I like to use is jasmine rice. Wash my rice. I can't tell you how much cup of rice me use. Me just use my judgment. Just as how I would put it on the stove, that's the amount that I put in it, right? And you do a little, well, I didn't even do a little finger test. I put a piece of butter in it and I seal it like that with the foil paper. Make sure that because this rice is going to be steaming in the oven. I put it in the oven at about 375 for maybe 45 minutes. And this is the results of my rice, Gungo rice and peas for Christmas dinner. I know it's Sunday and you might want to try this recipe to cook your Sunday dinner. By the way, you start cooking again after Christmas. We have a lot of leftovers, but I think today I have to go back in the kitchen to cook something to go with whatever leftover there is. Now, how do you like this rice and peas? Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comments and let me know. I think the next video I will be sharing is the chicken one. I had another request for how I made the chicken. Happy Sunday, guys.